arm night here.
Uh-oh. I have arms.
I have arms too. Let's do things with them. So our right arm is going to come out to the side, and he's going to swoop around front. He's going to come out there, and the little palm is up. He's just going to flip over and go back down, and then ditto left arm. He's going to come out to the side. He's going to swoop around front. He's going to turn over and go down. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With our undulation. Stretch, tap, stretch, tap. Alternating arms, right arm is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time, each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. And so we're also going to hit our little step, touch, walk it right, followed by step, touch, step, touch, walk it left. All right? Here we go. So let's go around the no undulations, just feet and arms. Another one, 5. 5, 6. Feet and arms. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Undulation on it, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch, tight, stretch, tight. Stretch,
قلبك واحد عمرجة تركو ما بسترجع وشقلب بلي حياتك لك 160 درجة كشفتك الأسرار ولعتي قلبي نار يلعب عن جروح النار ما بيلعب عن مصاري وعلى قلبي عم يلعب بمصير قلبك عم يلعب.
Last guy. 5, 6, 8. All right, you gotta read your hips. Reverse undulation, slowly back. Tap. Forward. Good. So again, back. Tap.
قلبي ما عم يترقى
Back. Forward. Back.
Forward. عم تاكل شايس القبة سرقت ومرقت حطوا كله مع صحتي أعتقد بي تستعد
See that again. Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist.
قلبي عم يلعب بمصير وقلبك عم يلعب ورا
Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist. Arm again. Ready, right. 5, 6, 7. We're going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down. Left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down. Arm right. Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist. Tap. Wrist.
بكفي اربح لمسة قديش وقلبي محظوظ انت طلعتي من شمسة غيرك حد مش شايف صوته اكبر مش خايف قلبي بجوكر للغرام وعلى كيف
But they are 5, 6. Feet on this. So we're going step, touch, step, touch, step across the line. Step, step, touch, step across the line. Up, in, step, touch, touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch, ribs. One more time like this. Touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch. Ready, arms, 6, 7, let it go. Touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch, ribs. Other way. Touch, ribs, touch, ribs, touch, ribs. Again, touch, ribs, touch, ribs. Other way. Touch, ribs, touch, ribs. One more each way. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Why are we doing that?
To isolate your focus on certain parts of your body and on autopilot and stuff.
Okay, I'll buy that too. Yes, yes. So introducing new things and put certain things on autopilot so you don't have to think about all of it because it falls apart. Yeah, you
Yeah.
try to think about all of it, it will fall apart. So something has to go on autopilot. It's kind of interesting to have it reveal to you what piece goes on autopilot. This is probably a little bit different for everybody. You know, some have to think that's not an arm path I usually do, or I never walk with reverse undulations like that, or whatever. So yes, yes. And for me personally, I always think it's interesting where I feel my arm go into a place that locks my body up. Like I'm like, wow, this is fine, I'm fine. And the minute my arm comes forward, it's like, so that tells me that if I'm doing reverse undulations, I probably rarely have my arms forward. That's something to consider because it's all about, what's the word? Variety. All right.
I just enjoyed how my posture got worse.
With every reverse undulation, you just get lower and lower.